Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a calculator that could calculate the whole cost as markup percentage. Basically, like what it could we could take the whole cost of the product, and then let's say you want to find the markup percentage of the product. For example, if $5 and what's it called, markup percentage is 100%, it's going to be $10. Okay, so yeah, I'm just going to write a program that does that, and yeah. By the way, if you guys want to read the question, this is the question for the problem right here. So you guys can pause the video and read that. Anyways, so we're gonna include iOS stream, which is input output stream, and then we're gonna use namespace std, so we don't have to write the standard name library space. We don't have to write std out, std this, std that. So yeah, we're gonna call our function double. We're gonna use double function since we're gonna be returning something into the main function. We're using doubles since it gives us more room since percentages could also be in decimals. So double allows us to use decimal numbers. And we're going to calculate retail is the name of the function. And since we're trying to find the retail price by adding the wholesale price and the markup price. And we're using double G as our first, what's it called? Variable in the function, which is for what's it called, the wholesale cost. So G is the wholesale cost, and P is the markup percentage. Good. So we're gonna create another variable called T. That's gonna be double T, so it's gonna be P over 100. So the variable T, right? So we're gonna take what's it called, the markup percentage. I'm gonna divide it by 100 to get a decimal number. Get a decimal number. So when we multiply it when we multiply our markup or wholesale cost, we're gonna be like what's it called? So for example, wholesale cost. Okay, and we multiply it by what's it called? Our decimal, which is our T, our decimal number. Find the markup. And here we just add the markup to the wholesale cost. So that's how the function works. And then we go to the main function. I just have the double G and double P minus 1. This is basically starting points for my while loop. I'll show you why I have a while loop in a second. While loop. Okay. So we have while G is basically while -1. So every single time I enter, since the question says input validation do not accept negative values for either the wholesale cost or the item or markup percentage. So basically this while loop is going to keep running unless we enter a positive number, a number that's either 0 or any number above 0 or 0. So the program is going to keep running. That's the point of the while loop. And C out, you know what, I hope by now you probably know what C out is. We enter a wholesale cost, and console input G. Since we're trying to find a G, this is basically, so if this was negative, if we still input a value less than -1, the loop's gonna run again. So while G, so yeah. Okay, and then if G is greater or equal to 0, we break. So we're breaking from the loop. So what I mean by that is if we don't have we don't have a number less than negative than a number less than 0, we break the loop. Okay. Same theory applies to this one, but this is for the markup percentage and this is for the wholesale cost. And then see out the retail price for the product is calculate retail, and then we're gonna input our our G, which is our wholesale cost, and P our markup percentage. And yeah, I'm just gonna run the program now. So wholesale cost is 20. So let's say, for example, here the markup percentage is 67. It's a crazy markup percentage, but yeah. So the retail price of the product is 33.4. Yeah. Okay, and let's see if we enter negative numbers. So I'm just going to explain what the while loop was doing earlier. Remember I said if I enter a negative number, the while loop will keep running. So the wholesale cost minus 3, see, it keeps running, minus 3, minus 4. Program keeps running again, asking me the same question again until I enter 5, which is correct. So and same thing with the markup percentage. If I keep entering like a negative number, minus 3, minus 6, still keeps running, but when I enter a value like 6, which is the correct value, like a value above 0, and the program ends, and it just calculates as what's it called, the markup, like 6% markup of 5, which is 5.3. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one.